Welcome to your Chapter 2 video lecture, Getting Your Plan Started. A reminder of why you need a business plan and the importance of finding the initiative to actually get started comes with a great quote from Andrew Anker. He's a venture capitalist. He says, if you need to have numbers, if I ask you a question, you better know the answer. If you say you're going to sell shoes to people with very wide feet, you better know the number of people with wide feet. It's a great example and hopefully something to remind you as you begin your business plan of the importance of a business plan and why we go through all this trouble. Chapter 1 focused on Step 1, the business concept. This chapter focuses on gathering and interpreting the data you need. Solid information gives you a realistic picture of what happens in businesses similar to yours, as well as a better understanding of your own company. You can then evaluate and refocus your concept in light of your newly acquired information. A worksheet provided at the end of this chapter will help you with this evaluation. Remember, developing a business plan is much more a business project than a writing assignment. The process itself, not just the document produced, can positively affect the success of your business. Start your research by making a general statement that is the basis of your business, or a portion of your business. Start your research, make a statement, then challenge it. Start your research by making a general statement that is the basis of your business, or a portion of your business. For example, if you're planning to open a sporting goods store, the statement might be, there is a substantial need for a new sporting goods store to serve the city of Chandler. Next, make a list of questions that logically follow from and challenge that statement, such as how many sporting goods stores are there now, how much business do they have? Are residents currently dissatisfied with current stores? If so, how? What are the demographic trends in Chandler? And what are the trends in the sporting good industry nationally? Look for information that answers key questions. With accurate information at your fingertips, you make better business decisions as well as more persuasive presentation of your plan. Use the research project as an opportunity to educate yourself on the key issues of your industry, not merely as a way to find the specific details you need for your particular company. The best, easiest, and least expensive place to start your research is online, where governments have made most data they collect public and accessible. Many trade or industry studies or publications are available online, free or relatively inexpensively. Research services are also available to instantly check articles, statistics, surveys, etc. Examples of online sources include the U.S. Census Bureau, such as census.gov, economic census, county business patterns, and current industrial reports. Information from state data centers, such as census.gov/CDC, and trade associations, which can be found at planningshop.com/associations. While you may want to start your research online, you may find that some data is not available or it is too expensive on the internet. A number of real-world sources may provide additional information. If yours is an ongoing business, not newly established, you also need to gather historical data about your own company. In particular, you should examine your past internal financial records. Some of the most important information you need will not be available from any published source, particularly information that is quite specific to your market or new product. To obtain this data, you will have to undertake your own research. Personal observation is easiest. You may want to have informational interviews, survey spot trends, hold focus groups that offer candid opinions, learn from other businesses, or talk to the competition. Suppliers, distributors, and independent sales representatives can give you a great deal of information about industry trends and what your competition is doing without violating confidentiality. Because they are in touch with the market, they know which products and services are in demand. Once you start compiling information, you might feel you have more facts than you know what to do with. Use these tips to weed out your data. Recent data is likely to be more reliable than older data. Translate data into units or constant dollars to account for inflation. Give most reliable source the most weight when making decisions. And use the most conservative figures for projections. Once you complete your initial research efforts, but before you lay out the specific components of your plan, re-examine your business concept. Doing a feasibility analysis is a chance to open your eyes, ask yourself some very tough questions, then check to see whether your idea, as originally conceived, needs to be modified, refocused, or changed dramatically. A business model canvas can be particularly useful for someone who has a number of ideas and wants to outline those various ideas to see which seem most viable before beginning an actual plan for their business. However, a business model canvas is no substitute for real business planning, researching data, investigating markets and industries, developing detailed financial forecasting, and challenging assumptions. This concludes our Chapter 2 video lecture. Thanks and have a great day.